Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. I wanted to take a quick moment to touch base with you before next week's test. In addition to taking the test on Tuesday, you also will be turning in your HHW1 portfolio. This portfolio, you are physically going to give it to me, and I am going to do my best to have it graded while you are taking your test so that I can give it back to you and you can take it home with you and use it to study for the final. Okay? So this portfolio that you're creating, it's a collection of all of the work that you've done in Chapter 1, all of the handwritten work that you've done. Okay? So that includes all of your PAs. We've had 3 PAs so far. I want you to include the PAs, and this time I'm going to grade your PAs for accuracy. So if you had gotten anything wrong in your previous PAs, you have to correct them. And if you got anything wrong in those PAs, I would have provided you with a copy of the solution so you know how to correct it. That would be a comment in the grade book for that assignment if you got it wrong. Remember, it's very likely that PA problems will be on the test, so please also use those PAs to study. So in addition to including the PAs in the portfolio, you also will be including the HHW's handwritten homeworks. Now these are not the same as your homeworks from my math lab. These are for sections 1.2 to 1.7, and that's where you're writing out specific definitions, formulas, and examples from the textbook. You're copying them down. It's kind of like you're taking lecture notes in class, but instead of taking them from an instructor, you're taking them from the textbook. The recommendation is that you do the HHWs before you do the homework, okay? And the HHWs have the assignment details for each one. There is in all of the Canvas modules. You'll see them there. I specify which definitions, which formulas, and which examples you are supposed to write down from from each section. Okay, so make sure that your portfolio also has the HHWs from sections 1.2 and 1.7. And in addition, for this portfolio only, I'm also requiring that you print out a copy of the syllabus. The syllabus is a really good resource for online students, so I want to make sure that you all know, I want to make sure that everyone has access to it. The only way I can do that is if I can actually see that you have it. Alright, so those are the things that are due inside your portfolio, which you are turning in to me when you take your test on Tuesday. The tutoring center is open on Sundays. I sent an announcement earlier today with a whole bunch of information on the test and other things that are happening on Tuesday. Hot links to the campus or the college map, a bunch of information. So if you have not yet read that, please read that. And if you need anything, if you have generic questions on the class, please continue to post them in the discussion board. And I will get to your test 30 minutes early to answer any last minute questions if you have any. So either way, I'll see you on Tuesday. Let me know if you need anything. Bye-bye.